Leora's arrival in the village of Eglondale did not cause the star one might expect from someone so beautiful. Her radiant emerald eyes were overshadowed by the simplicity of her clothing. The villagers, dressed in the finest silks and jewels, paid her little attention except to whisper judgments as she passed. That night, a riddle appeared on the village fountain, a challenge promising a hidden treasure to the one who could solve it. The villagers, consumed by the appearances, laughed at the idea that someone so simple as Leora could rise to such challenge. But as the sun set, Leora stepped forward, ignoring their mocking eyes. With a quiet determination, she began to decipher the cryptic words. Slowly but surely, her mind unlocked each clue, and the villagers' laughter turned to stern silence. At last, with the riddle solved, the ground beneath the fountain shifted. A hidden staircase appeared, leading Leora to a glowing chamber below. There, in the heart of the treasure room, she found not gold or jewels, but an ancient book, a book of wisdom that could change the village forever. Leora emerged with the book in her hands, and the villagers, now humbled, gathered around her. "We are wrong to judge you," they said, bowing their heads. Leora smiled and reminded them gently, "Don't judge a book by its cover."